Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, I've got some exciting news for you. Starlink, SpaceX's ambitious satellite broadband project, has just hit a massive milestone. Over 4 million subscribers. That's right, Elon Musk's brainchild is rocketing ahead, and here's why it matters. First off, this incredible growth showcases the soaring demand for reliable satellite internet. And it's not just about numbers. Starlink's revenue, now over $6 billion, is fueling SpaceX's other ambitious projects, like the Starship program. Yep, your internet bill might just be funding the next big leap in space exploration. But it's not all smooth sailing. Astronomers have raised concerns about unintended electromagnetic radiation from the satellites, which could mess with radio astronomy. SpaceX needs to address this, or we could be facing some cosmic-level interference. Competition is heating up as well. OneWeb, now merged with Eutelsat, and Amazon's Project Kuiper are both eyeing the satellite broadband market. OneWeb is focusing on business customers, while Project Kuiper, with its 3,000 planned satellites, is gearing up for a 2025 launch. But with Starlink already miles ahead, the competition has its work cut out for them. So what's next for Starlink? Continued innovation and expansion. They've got the early lead, and if they can keep up the pace, address those UEMR concerns, and fend off competitors, they're positioned to dominate the satellite broadband market. With the global need for high-speed internet growing, Starlink is not just reaching for the stars, they're aiming to connect the world. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.